Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Believe it or not, we made it to Taj Mahal. Let's get into the video. So we actually passed the checkpoint and just had the drone inside his backpack, so he had to go back. Daddy's right behind me. It's 6:30 a.m. They just opened up. But let me tell you something, this place gets packed in 10 minutes. So we're literally running through the gates to be able to capture the best content. And that's what we came here for. There's a lot of people trying to sell you things. Just run. But wow. Holy moly, guacamole, bro. Damn. That's it. That's Taj. That's Taj Mahal. And believe it or not, there's people here already. A lot of people. And I thought we were the first ones to get in. But guys, check this out. This is it. There's not that many people here, believe it or not. There's people that I've seen this place on photos packed. Now I don't think there's that many people yet. It's a little foggy. I don't know if it's the pollution or there's some early fog going on, but check this out, guys. We're walking the hallway now. We're on the way to the main entry and see if we can like actually get on the back. Let's go. I'm here with Jari. Georgia still hasn't come in. He'll find us at some point. But guys, check this out. This is one of the wonders in the world, and we're like 5 meters away from it. Check it out.
Guys, so we're here at the Taj Mahal. Unfortunately, George didn't bring his drone.
Place is sick. Woo! So they made us take our shoes off, but I think we found out the main place to take a photo. So this is it. We're gonna take some photos and keep the vlog. Very strict with the shoes. Once you're inside the mosque, you must not wear your shoes on, otherwise you get in trouble. We have here the wuzu tank. Please don't put your legs inside the tank. I guess this is some sort of holy water, bloody water or some stuff like that. But yeah guys, we're gonna do a loop. We're gonna go around and check the all the main entries, all the main parts. But guys, this is marble. This was created by a big guy here in India, a rich guy, that after the construction of the Taj Mahal, he went bankrupt. So imagine this was built, I'm not sure the year, so Wikipedia, help me out, but this was built years, many years ago, and still looked like new. Guys, we found this spot right here, which is one of the main spots here to take photos. Shout out to this guy right here. He took one of the best photos on my iPhone ever.
It's nice.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Okay.
Your name?
Chaman.
Chaman. Nice to meet you, Chaman.
Thank you. I take one group picture if you want.
Oh, we good.
No, we're okay.
He took one of the best photos on my iPhone on a water hole on the floor, which was sick. So we're now gonna walk around a little bit, see what else we can see here. But guys, let me tell you, if you planning to come here, come early, because this place get packed. Once there's a lot of people, the photo doesn't look the same. And look, it's already, I think it's like 7:30, which they open at 7, so it's been like half an hour and this place is getting packed already. So we're gonna take some more photos here and enjoy our time in Taj. Oh, we made it, boys!
Made it to the big Taj, bro.
A big Taj?
The big Taj. Taji McGee.
A big Tashi right behind me. Yo. This place is crazy, honestly. Pretty naughty. Pretty naughty.
Do you have any more shot ideas? Yeah.
But yeah guys, I'm gonna enjoy our time here in Taj. Alright Georgie, honest review about Taj.
Man, it's one of the 7 wonders in the world for a reason, baby.
1 out of 10.
I'd say for photos, man, put a good 9. Good 9.
Good 9, okay, good solid 9.
Yeah.
This guy's still looking at his photos. Jari, you're not comfortable with your photos yet?
No, I'm comfortable.
Alright, 1 out of 10.
You gotta scroll through all of them before you say something.
Well, I
1 out of
have
10.
to make some major crops, as we
I
all
do
He
will.
doesn't like
I
it.
do
He doesn't
too,
like
bro.
Taj
I said as we
Mahal.
all will.
So
As we all
4
will.
guys, we're gonna keep walking
as we
around and
all
check
will.
these places out. Let's go. We're actually now inside about to get inside the Taj Mahal. Photography is prohibited inside, so we're gonna finesse it.
So remember the name, holding it. Same scroll I show you outside the top. We're here in this spot right now, and this is what the actual tomb is about. This was Taj Mahal. You guys saw it from first view. Definitely you come here, come early morning so you don't get a lot of crowd right when they open. Be fast, run to get inside, get some good photos. And guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna go around India today. We're traveling to Jaipur, which is the pink city. We're gonna be there tomorrow, and then we're gonna fly out to Thailand, Bangkok. So that's coming next. Guys, subscribe, enjoy, peace out.